Hi guys, welcome back to writing. Today you would have already watched the video of how the heart pumps with your teacher, and I'm just going to be doing a brainstorm about what I learned from the video. And I took a lot of notes during that video, so I'm going to put it into a brainstorm so I can refer back to it when I'm writing this explanation piece. So I'm going to write in the middle how the heart pumps blood. Oops, blood. Then I'm going to put that into the middle like this. And I'm going to brainstorm the different things that I learned in that text and put it around like a mind map. So they said it's the most special organ in the body. That's important. They also said that it is placed between the lungs between the lungs. They said that it sends blood all over our body, which will obviously lose blood all over our body. And then it said that blood is made up of, do I not spell this right? Blood has to have oxygen and nutrients. Right, then I'm going to do my new color, and I've said that so the heart is divided into 4 parts, and they are called the chambers. Okay, so remember what they said about the chambers. They said that there's the right and left ventricle, and that there's the right and left atrium. And each of those parts have a significant role in how the heart helps to pump the blood through the body. Okay, so it says the first step, so step 1, deoxygenated. That's a big word. Now, and I don't know how to spell that word. There we go. Deoxygenated. That means that blood that does not have any oxygen, okay? Because we said before that blood needs oxygen. So deoxygenated blood goes through the right atrium. So it enters into the right atrium. That's the first step. Step 2. It travels down to the right ventricle and is sent to the lungs. And when it's in the lungs, it obtains oxygen and nutrients, because remember, that's how our blood is pumped around the body. Only oxygenated blood gets pumped around the body. So we said that step 2, it travels down to the right ventricle and is sent to the lungs, which obtains oxygen and nutrients there. Then we're going to go to step 3. Step 3 is once the blood has oxygen and nutrients, it is sent to the left atrium. Step 4. It then travels to the left ventricle. So it's like going into all these little doors. It goes into doors around the heart. It has a way and it has a path to go through to the body. Step 5. The heart then sends that blood through arteries around the body. Okay, so the last step was the heart sends blood through the body, through arteries, and then the process starts again. So that's the cycle of how the heart pumps. Okay, then they say that the veins, so we have veins in our bodies too, and you can normally see your veins sometimes on your arms. So the veins take the low oxygen blood to the heart for it to be pumped again. So for it to start that whole process again, to start the cycle again. And then it says, I'm going to add this as orange. And then it also said that the arteries send the oxygenated blood through the body. That's the end of that cycle. Then it had some fun facts. It said that the heart weighs up to 450 grams, which is almost half a kilo. And it needs healthy foods, exercise, and no smoking. So these are the 3 things that they said that you can do to help your heart. One really interesting thing as well is they said it beats 100,000 times a day. I'm going to write beats here. Beats 100,000 times a day. So you can see that I've got a lot going around here. Okay, these are the fun facts at the orange at the bottom. These are my step 1, step 2. This is the process. So this is the cycle, how it works, which is what we'll be explaining in what I will be explaining in my explanation text. Then I've got some more facts at the top here about what I can write in my introduction. And then I've got these here that I can also write within as well. So you can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 things around my brainstorm. So today you're going to be looking at a video on the digestive system, and you'll be making a brainstorm just like this one. You can use it online or you can do it on paper. So make sure you add in all the information so then we can go back to it and complete your explanation text tomorrow and the next day. Good luck, grade 3.